In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format an external hard drive to use with your Mac. So first things first, you're going to want to use a built-in application called Disk Utility. So press Command Space on your keyboard or click the magnifying glass in your menu bar to open up Spotlight Search, and then just search for the word Disk Utility and then go ahead and open up Disk Utility. Once Disk Utility is open, it will look like this. Now, depending on what version of the Mac operating system that you're running, it may look slightly different, but it will generally look like this. On the left-hand sidebar, if you can't see it, this little guy here is clicked and it probably is hiding the sidebar. So just re-click that and go to Show Sidebar to see all of the different hard drives. Now this one here is going to be your Mac HD, which is the internal hard drive of your Mac computer. This here where it says external will list any external hard drives that you have connected. I have one connected via USB-C. Yours may be an older version, say USB-A. But regardless, you have it plugged in and you should see your external drive here. What you want to do is select that there. You want to select the main external drive. If there's anything under the dropdown, that is not the main drive. You want to make sure you have the main drive selected here. Once you have that drive selected, you then want to click the Erase button here in the top toolbar. Once you've done this, you can give the hard drive a name, so I'll name it Bay2, and then under Format, you want to select the drop-down menu, and there's a number of options. The one that you probably want is going to be APFS. This is compatible with all newer Macs 2017 and beyond. Now, the older version, which is the Mac OS Extended, if you have a really old Mac, this may be what you want, but I'll have a pinned comment down below with some frequently asked questions if that's the case for you. Now, let's say you want to use this for both a Mac computer and a Windows operating system. So you're going to be plugging this hard drive into your Mac and plugging it into a PC that's running Windows. Then for you, you'll need to choose this option here, exFAT. That's going to be the formatting option for you. But more than likely, you're going to be using this on your Mac exclusively, and the one you want to choose is APFS. That's going to be the one that you want to choose. Now, the other options here that are encrypted, case sensitive, don't worry about those. The encrypted option just requires you to type in a password when opening the hard drive. And so if you do want to password protect it, you can select this one and then type in a password here, but I would just choose APFS to keep it simple, and then just click the button here that says Erase. When you do so, it will show the progress here on your computer. When it's done, it'll have a check mark and say done, and you can show details here if you want. Click on done, and now as you can see, Bay2 is now in the APFS format, which means you can plug it into any Mac and it will be compatible. Tells you the size of that hard drive over here to the right. And then on the desktop, you can see here is the external hard drive. If I double click on it, here is the actual Finder window where I can start dragging files to. And also if I open up a Finder window, if I scroll down under locations, I can now see that Bay2 or the external drive is here where I can manipulate files there as well. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.